So in this lecture we are going to solve a numerical problem on drought system. So last three lectures we are discussing about drought system. So today we are solving a numerical problem. So let's see the problem. A boiler uses 2000 kg per hour of coal. The temperature of air supplied is 300 Kelvin and the average temperature of the flue gas leaving the chimney is 650 Kelvin. The 33-meter high chimney produces a draught of 20 millimeter of water column. Determine the quantity of air supplied per kg of coal, the draught in terms of column of hot gases, and the base diameter of chimney, assuming that 10% of the theoretical draught is used for creating the flow velocity of the gases through the chimney. So this is given. So as we know that when we are going to solve a problem, first we need to know that what are the information is given. So first given is mass of the fuel per hour, that is our 2000 kg per hour. Temperature of the air means atmospheric air temperature TA is 300 Kelvin. Hot gas flue gases temperature 650 Kelvin, so Tg is 650. Height of the chimney given h is equal to 33 meter. Also water column height is given 20 millimeter. What I need to find? Draught. First one is quantity of air supplied per kg of coal. So this quantity of air supplied we have taken in terms of m. So first we need to find the m. Then the draught in terms of column of the hot gases, we need to find Hg, hot flue gases, and the base diameter of the chimney, assuming this as this one. So here our actual, this Hg actual is given as a 10%, means 0.1 Hg, means this Hg is theoretical, actual is this one. We need to find the base diameter. Suppose our small d is the base diameter of chimney. So these are the information given. So as we know that H is 353 H by into 1 by Ta minus m plus 1 by m into 1 by Tg. So now everything is given. H given 20, capital H is 33, Ta is 300, Tg is 650. So only we need to find the m. So if you simplify this equation, you get that m is equal to 19.727 kg of air per kg of coal. So this is our answer, first answer. So we got that how much air we need to supply for burning 1 kg of coal. Next we need to find the draught in terms of column of hot gases. So as we know that Hg be the height of the hot gases, then del P or draught we can write rho g into Hg, and this is our 353 g capital H into 1 by Ta minus m plus 1 by m into 1 by Tg, and we know that rho g is 353 m plus 1 by m into 1 by Tg. And if we put the value of m that we have calculated, this one, we get the rho g or density of hot gas is 0.5706 kg per meter cube. Now from this equation we can write that Hg is equal to 353 by 0.5706 into 33 into 1 by this value. If we put, we got Hg is equal to 35 meter. So this is our answer second. So keep it in mind, this Hg is our theoretical Hg, but actual how much Hg? That 10% of this Hg. Okay, so let's see. So now we need to find the mass flow of the flue gas, means how much flue gas is produced and this is flowing. So as we know that for 1 kg flue gas we have supplied the air is 19.727 kg. So we have the total flue gas mass of coal plus mass of air. So mass of air is 19.727 plus mass of coal is 1, and into the total coal has supplied 2000 per hour. So 2000 by 3600, this is kg per second. So this we got 11.515 kg per second. So this amount of flue gas is flowing in 1 second. So now we need to find the volume flow of the flue gases. So we got this is mass flow. So if we want to find the volume flow, means this is defined as the discharge. So this is mass by density, mass flow by density, and this gives 20.18 meter cube per second. Okay, now we have to find the flue gas velocity, and this gives Vg is equal to root over 2g into hg. So 2 into g 9.81 into 35 this hg, and here we need to take the actual hg, and this is our 10% of this theoretical hg, so into 0.1, and this calculation gives 8.29 meter per second. Okay, so this we got as the flue gas velocity and the volume flow of the flue gas. We need to find the base diameter of the chimney. So this, now we know from the continuity equation that volume flow rate Q is equal to A into Vg. Okay, so this Q we have found the volume flow rate 20.18, area is pi by 4 into d square into Vg is 8.29, and from this we got d is equal to 1.76 meter, and this is our base diameter of the chimney. So this is the third answer. So this kind of problem we have to solve like this. So as we have seen that H the density in terms of column of water or hot flue gases is very important, so we need to remember this expression. Okay, so this is we have solved. So I am giving one home task for you, so kindly solve this. So we have the problem 2. So here a boiler is designed with a chimney of 30 meter high, and the temperature of the flue gases passing through the chimney is at temperature of 290 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of atmospheric air is 25 degrees centigrade. If the air required to burn 1 kg of fuel is 18 kg, here the value of m is given. Determine the theoretical draught produced in millimeter of water in height of hot and in height of hot flue gases, the velocity of the flue gas passing through the chimney. So here the value are given, this capital H is given as a 30 meter, temperature of hot gases is given 290 degrees centigrade, this is 290 plus 273 Kelvin. Similarly Tg is given 25 degrees centigrade, so 25 plus 273, this is also in Kelvin. Okay, anything is given. If the air required, mass of the air required is given 18 kg. What we need to find? The theoretical draught produced. So we need to find H and capital Hg. The velocity means Vg we need to find when 40% of the theoretical draught is lost in friction, means when our Hg actual is equal to 0.6 of Hg theoretical. So by this we have to find this one and this one. Okay, and these are the information is given.